I think the interesting part about the process is to understand the director's vision, and also Peter from Poland, the sound designer. Basically, this show is being performed in Poland before, and I'm not involved. So it's also try to understand how difference between Nightingale Taiwan and also Nightingale from Andersen, the fairy tale. So it's pretty much about finding the colors, finding the way to like the show. Basically, the light idea is all about playing with shadows, and also the whole theme about Nightingale is friendship. So it's try to celebrate the different colors. It's not just to be all red means bloody or something like that, but red means also can be friendship, especially in the end when death come to take the king away. I use red, but slowly the red become a wash of white, and it symbolizes like a friendship that, oh, I don't have to take your life away because I feel I need to. It's because that I feel that the king have a lot of things that he needs to do in his life, and I think death gave him a second chance. That's why I feel the color, it's strong colors, but it's not about being angry or being fierce or hard, but it's also the subtleness, the softness in the color.